Hey coders, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, please click subscribe, and if you're a regular, welcome back. Okay, so in this video I'll be explaining why I stopped making Python tutorials. So first of all, inconsistency. So I feel like when you are practicing something, maybe practicing a language, you want to do it at your own pace. So I felt like a lot of people were depending on me with uploading a video. It would have been great if I was able to upload a video every week, but I was struggling with that because of schoolwork and the work on the side and my other channel and everything else. So it was quite a bit it was a bit stressful trying to be consistent. And yeah, I felt like it would be, because there would be people on LinkedIn like, yo, we find your tutorials very helpful and looking forward to the next episode, and it's like next episode is in a month or 2 weeks, and obviously with someone who's still practicing, it slows them down. So that's one of the reasons, being inconsistent. And it would really like, because when I practice using YouTube videos, if I get like, maybe there's this episode and I get it, or this chapter variables, it's too easy, let me move on to the next one. And if you find that there's no next one, you get demotivated and you want to find the next YouTuber who actually is consistent. So that's one of the reasons. The second reason is that I felt that I was so stiff. I felt like I was reading like a script, and when I read a script, my voice becomes shaky and it's like I'm about to cry and I sound so serious, and it was less authentic. So yeah, I just felt like, because I do have 2 videos. Okay, so in my Python tutorial series, I have 3 videos. So I had 2 more that I had already recorded and edited, but when I listen to them, it's like, no, like I usually watch my videos after, because I'm my my first view. So when I watch the Python tutorial videos, I'm like, oh my god. And then someone on LinkedIn or Instagram is like, yo, I found this very helpful. I'm like, what? So yeah, I don't know if maybe I'm just doubting myself or whatever, but I felt like it's just too stiff. It's not authentic. Like these videos, I feel like they're more authentic. And also, I feel like I can't really teach. Like, yes, I can help someone with something, but really teach something, it's a bit hard. I know I used to struggle with mathematics, explaining like doing tutorials with someone with regards to mathematics. It would be just a bit difficult, and I would feel like the person that I'd tutor would be like, yeah, I understand, but deep down I'd be like, this person lying to me, they don't get nothing, you know. So yeah, I don't know if it's more about the stiffness or that I'm just doubting myself. Yeah, well, and another thing, like I said, I do have 2 videos that I did actually do and edit, but I just can't seem to upload them. I don't feel like they're worthy. And I sometimes think that, okay, there'll be someone who finds the first video and they want to carry on until maybe the 5th one. Should I just post them so that they're just there, or should I just leave them and delete all the other ones? But if they've helped someone, maybe these 2 can also help someone as well. Oh, guys, I've decided that I'd rather just keep my content authentic, like answering questions, talking about institutions that can help you with coding, hackathons if I can. Those, I feel like they're more authentic, like, than actually, also I feel like it's better when people actually see my face. That's more authentic than when you just see the screen and then hear my voice in the background, voiceover. I feel voiceovers are so weird. Well, with me, they sound so stiff. Some people's voices are like so like soothing when you hear the voiceover. It's like, oh my gosh, this person. I'm clicking away, I'm doing a code along. But the thing is, I feel like, I don't know, maybe I just don't like the sound of my voice on a voiceover. Because yeah, I enjoy it. Or maybe when I see myself, I'm like, that voice and that face. But when I just see the screen and just the voice, I mean, like, I don't want to say I doubt myself, but if I feel like that, like, how many people feel like that? And there are views. So what's more confusing is that there are views on those videos. So I guess they are help and there are comments. So are they helping? Maybe you guys should comment down below if I should upload the other two. But I don't think I'll continue with Python tutorials, Java tutorials, or anything of that sort. It will be more about sit downs, answering questions. Maybe I can answer questions about Python. Maybe people send me problems and then I try to solve them. Yeah, I don't know if that would work, but yeah, I don't think that's for me. And especially because I'm so inconsistent. I feel like if I was able to bulk shoot when I started the series and just be able to upload all the videos, maybe I would have had more confidence. But now there's so many reasons and I'm like, and I feel like I owe people an explanation because there are people who are actually following and I'm like, oh, check out the next episode coming soon, you know. It's gonna be helpful, but when I edit, it's like, and the last one I uploaded like 3 weeks ago. So yeah, please comment down below if I should just post the two. Maybe they'll be helpful to someone. And also comment if you enjoy, which content do you enjoy? Me answering questions, me sitting down, talking about stuff, tech things and hackathons. But yeah, those are my reasons. And yeah, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, like I said, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. We are about to close at We Think Code, so I'll have so much time and I'll be making videos. And can you do vlogmas on like such channels? Wouldn't make sense, right? I don't know, but I will have content for December. And yeah, till the next one. Bye.